Hi there, in this tutorial I will tell you how to turn your microphone into a live speaker. So first of all, you will go like down here. You will see a microphone icon which is showing that a sound is coming in. Like now you will click it, and now you will go to into settings, and now type here sound. Here you can see sound settings, and now click on it. After that, you will come up here, and there is an option like sound control panel, and click it. After it is open, now go to recordings, because the microphone is the one which is recording everything. Now left click on it and check this properties. Click on properties. Now from here you will see like option listen. Now go to listen, and there is option listen to this device. Listen to this device. Now click on it. Now you can see it will, as I apply, it is it is making it as a live speaker, but I don't want that, so I'm unchecking it. So you got the idea. I hope you like this video, and if you want more tutorials like this, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.